So if you're using Google Tasks in 2026 and your lists are starting to feel messy, yeah, learning how to manage multiple lists properly can completely change how organized you are. First, don't keep everything in one list. Create separate lists like work, personal, study, and urgent tasks so everything stays organized from the start. Next, learn how to switch between lists quickly. This helps you focus on one area of your life at a time without getting distracted. Now keep each list focused. Don't mix personal tasks into work lists or vice versa. It defeats the purpose of separation. Inside each list, reorder tasks by priority. This way, even if you have multiple lists, each one stays clear and actionable. Now use due dates to connect everything. This helps you manage tasks across multiple lists without losing track of deadlines. If something changes, just move tasks between lists. For example, a personal task can become work-related if priorities shift. Finally, check all your lists once a day. This helps you stay aware of everything without missing important tasks. And that's it. Once you manage multiple lists properly in Google Tasks, everything becomes cleaner, simpler, and way easier to control.